Nalu fiada. Kumasi Asante Kotoko IMC ekopie mu o fikasi mu. Meeting no na ano ohye. Na meeting na eso. Ana nchirimu ni ade ehu bi hia se beba. Na omukoye no di kan na eye Asante Kotoko esikasam. Ehun komo ekoso na abobo nyoma bibiri tofa dia ma IMC no. Na in this video Asante Kotoko next season ansana medu achiri kura no metimi a confirm ama o say the IMC will be no more. The case IMC will be no more. It will no longer be an interim management committee. The interim management committee adwuma bebe at the end of the season. There's a season bebe ya omedwumadi no so abawe as interim management committee. There will be changes. And changes in the say Asante Kotoko will have a board. Change. In fact meeting on some kakrambrel. We are about Asante Kotoko will have a board. No? Next structure no. There's the ultimate place to be. Say Obed is back. Tell a friend. Sawaba. Na the sources of your source and a daily. Ti ewumwa yebetuja. Now your concept no. The new studio is done. We have one site. How a dozen. We enjoying your mapa. About 3 ways or batch with guidance or CC. Now, young concept no. They met me there 2 minutes. Some members of the IMC now there were element of misunderstanding. The kind of misunderstanding is will be a be come bonnet the abayashi ni trim. Seminu mienu edin komot na ya adwen ankobam kruma a misunderstanding. The old kind no and the American enye pe nti yentimi enya an understanding the misunderstanding. Semete brofumi ya sanity. So I say solve issues no. Now from what I know, from what I've been told, the lines have been well designed. Nana Penkra Kwesiewua remains the head of the IMC. On the down, on the efficacy, ya say bridge between the Okoso Kotoko efficacy, on the down, maybe and Tranko efficacy, me bra emfa, Nana Penkra Kwesiewua so. Yes, sanity, a self fan so. When the demon because we could do efficacy, Mumpona Mobama, on the Nima Mamre, on the Nana Kontumpo Hini, Kontumpo Nia Ferihine. We need mamre. We be dim among comedy with the chief of staff with a etinyako come and turn near head. The technical department is being head by Ogum, but he reports to Akwesiapia. Emphasis on reporting to Akwesiapia. Because from transfer window ya be Abdul Fattah unseme ba ye ne wetin wa kameno. Na ma kasa ni bi wo ho na ntiase na aye bibi kakra. So na Akwesiapia reserve na mpanimfo bi te ya nse kuruma so de pane kura to fom a fikasi momote tena so mo siesie nti obi betimi afre ni beef me enye beef eye ano baba ya na ese mpanimfo e wo soro bam na omo siesie nti eno so ko so kama ama say Ogum in the position reporting to the technical director when it comes to the technical affairs of the club. The final say no powers no ya managing powers no of Coach Ogum, then pass it through the right channel. And administrative affairs remains Emmanuel Newton Dasbury. Na bibia so etimi akoto 10 e dia ma Asante Kotoko dan fiada no obi ehun de so ye. And what is also ahead of them when the season ends. The domain when the season ends no so no ye mo bi ehu ne kama na etimi aboa ma Asante Kotoko dwumadi omudi na etimi akoyie na ma mensan kan susu die bi se the IMC when the season ends their job is over. There will be a new board, a new management where structures will be put in place. The direction of the club will be designed. The more almost see na for pesa club no faso na moye. Now I can tell you say nipa bebre and ebo punu mo many abre se omo pa adwuma na ye. Kotoko adwuma na akono nipa bebre na epe. Na ene two board members are now the previous board na koyen in Mr. Kwesifuri Edmark and Dr. Kwamichi dia our high places they are being mentioned. Dr. Kwamichi and Mr. Kwesifuri Edmark omudino ye bo our high places but ope krum ha efie ba ko a fikese udi agro mbetwum sesi a the affairs of Kotoko and decisions from above udi agro bebo suri asesi ani atwon. But as of now these two names are leading as to why and be the next board chairman at the Ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now saying it here, the new board no ebeba no Coach Akwesi Apia na Penka Akwesi Ewua are two personalities highly so obudin ebewura Asante Kotoko board ne so. Also the previous Asante Kotoko board the rep from Menhia and afikesiem na Nana Nkobi ahene. They say Nana Penka Akwesi Ewua ne di anim and why Kotoko adwuma no se afi season we be we for almost a season and afi in penifo hu ne se en de me peke no akra na ato form a yasese bia de brown ne se penifo be ma na ka board no as an institutional memory na de ekoso no ono so aboa asesa de aba na aboa the transition of the club na ne nimdie no de ono so aba be hu no penifo mpese be hye on penifo se Kotoko no nipa bi ba no ma besua de no ma be hu nyoma endi na enu endi na ansa no ma gya hokọ na de omusua mo de akọ ba bi foforo de omo mpese de abesua obo omu for almost 1 year na be hye no you will be part of the board again. Coach Akwesi Apia if time on the side in terms of Esco Sudan the time on the side so Coach Akwesi Apia will also be part of the board to be in charge of the technical affairs of Asante Kotoko as a former player. Former players no on say the last board no there were conversation normally rep also. So from what I'm picking no position edu baby na Mr. Joseph Edu now also as a former lecturer no Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology limbo no likely say our position no you remember opinion friend Akwesi Apia if time available no I take in charge of the technical affairs on the board. Now Emmanuel Newton Dasbury about management because at high places no opinion yebon dia penifo bebre ani so adwuma odi edema Asante Kotoko inti management no so no from what we are picking no sa nipa miensa wo IMC until I'm say a new system on say nam ye nipa 4 na mate company near the 2 kura be come ho company it make us a new direction. That is what will happen. Their positions will be confirmed not on interim basis but on permanent basis with the right structure you put in place. I'm a BB Akoso, I'm Asante Kotoko. The future of Coach Ogum, in human relationship, no, it looks like it's in recent times, no, pedophilia and then I fall out. For instance, open your friend Safu Jenfi any Ogum fall out. I can't say same for Lord Opokunti, but I know say and take sekaneno ana oba foforo no. Inti Ogum managing human relations ni with the former players and also with the players on your musi akano. Because nano kwesi ada suba na oda ne no. Ama enra which was on Monday. Pennyfu bi nkomo mu difa na ono na nya nkomo a ehyi nkran ti on hyehyɛ ho ne yi. But for now the fate of Ogum, whether he will continue as the permanent coach of Asante Kotoko, moving into the new administration at Eba next season, you know, is something I can't say for sure. Kakra na egu from no ebi nto from amintimi nka to from the ISM de ba na mrebe so mo kama e wo dwumadi yesu nti kakra no so ho a bitimi de appeal so e de ama moving forward bibi asesan e be bremo, but powers have been well defined edema IMC members. And again, salaries in the efficacy be cost atua na emo yere ton penifo na nso omon keka omo na omon pe kwan a 1 or 2 obetimi afaso ama eye club no so no internally betimi generate kakaka na day to day affairs bi wo ha club betimi take care of it. Ti bosom yaketua ne obanma beje na emo the day to day new money bi no is expected say IMC ni mon money na omumpis kakakra be say adwuma no na etimi aboa ma bibia etimi akoyi kakra wo ho a be mamo ena no pay amamo so mo de adwuma ena madada e kire de amamo be sen hye bi. Bye bye.